In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invitation on Trello in just 5 minutes. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, collaborating with teams, and managing projects efficiently. If you've recently received an invitation to join a board or a workspace and you're unsure of how to proceed, don't worry, this guide is here to help you. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Trello website. The URL is trello.com, so go ahead and type that into the address bar and hit enter. Once the Trello homepage loads, you'll see a variety of options available. Your next move is to click on the Login button. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. By clicking this, you'll be directed to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Trello account. Make sure to input this information accurately. Once done, click on the login button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you may need to complete that step as well. This is a great security feature to have enabled for protecting your data and projects. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. At this point, you should see a dashboard displaying all your boards and a sidebar for navigation. What we're focusing on here is your notifications. To find them, look towards the top right of the page. There's usually a bell icon that represents notifications. Click on this icon to open your notifications panel. Inside this notifications panel, you'll find all recent activity and alerts related to your boards and teams. Somewhere in this list should be the invitation to a new board or workspace that you've received. Invitations will typically stand out and may even be highlighted to grab your attention. Carefully look through the notifications and find the one that refers to the board or workspace you've been invited to join. Once you've located the invitation notification, click on it to view the details. You might be asked to confirm your acceptance of the invitation. Click accept or join. This action might vary slightly depending on the specific invite. And you're done. You will now have access to the board or workspace and can begin collaborating with your team. And there you have it, you've successfully accepted an invitation on Trello. Navigating tools like Trello is all about understanding where to find what you need, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more straightforward for you. Enjoy collaborating on your new projects, and remember, organization is key to productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.